Korrupsiya.
Hi, I'm Kate Cheuk from the Hong Kong, China Independent Commission Against Corruption. I'm honored to be present here attending the fourth Kfnedan forum on anti-corruption. And this is a very beautiful country. This is my first time here. And I think this event is very important. And the session I attended was about how to use technologies, leveraging on technologies to combat corruption and to prevent corruption. And we have a lot of useful exchanges with other participants as well. So we are looking forward to having more collaboration with the anti-corruption agency of Uzbekistan. This because international cooperation is very important on the fight against corruption. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.